everyone! I realized I haven't made a work in progress in so long, so I decided to make one today. I was working on the script for the smooth hair physics tutorial. I added free, premium, premium options, and I was going to end the tutorial when I realized that I didn't show how to animate male hair, which consists of lots of short strands. This made me rethink the whole tutorial, and I began to wonder if I really showed the best way to animate hair, because I want my tutorials to show the best ways and give you options while also not wasting your time. I want them to be easy to understand and easy to follow. And I really haven't been using light motion for character animation. I use Moho Pro now. So I have a question for you. For those of you who use light motion for character animation, specifically hair animation, how do you animate hair? Because I want to compare your workflow, your techniques to my script and figure out what would really be the best. That reminds me, Moho Pro. Okay, so for a long time now, for a year or two maybe, ever since I started to learn Moho Pro really, people have been asking me for Moho Pro tutorials. So I'm really excited to let you know that I will be starting a separate channel and uploading Moho Pro tutorials from the next month. Why next month? Because right now I want to focus on updating some of the tutorials that people have been waiting a long time for. And those of you who have been waiting, thank you for waiting. You may also have noticed that I've been uploading more than usual recently. That's because I passed my exams and now I'm a university student at 17. This has allowed me to have a lot of time to work on tutorials and bring more tutorials out for you. I'm so happy to be back to animating and making tutorials for you. Another thing I wanted to mention was that I wanted to get into YouTube Shorts. I don't really understand shorts because now when I upload a tutorial, which takes a lot of time and effort, the views fall in just a day, which is really not sustainable and affects revenue. And the revenue from this channel helps pay for my studies. And I really like to study. I love studying. So I've been thinking of opening a small Discord channel and discussing making YouTube Shorts there, getting your help. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not. So what do you think?